So I'm going to have to be moving around with the camera today because these guys are just all over the place and it's impossible to get everybody in the same shot. You can see they've got most of the living space now. And we have a little jungle gym over here. Loving that. Oh, I forgot to put the slide. Let me set the slide down. I do love that too. I'll back up a minute and you can see that. Whoop. Okay. Oh, somebody got in here. Who got in here? Oh, Poppy got in here. So now everybody's after Poppy. Poppy, get on the couch. She can get up out of here if she wants. There she goes. Because she has pretty much weaned these guys. Here's her baby saying, "Hey, where'd you go, Mom?" Here are all the adults sitting up there. It's like, we don't want in there with them. And, of course, Ozzy's over here. Ozzy gets in and plays with him, but he gets a little rough, and I don't want to deal with that while I'm trying to take a video. Okay, here's everyone on the slide at the same time. They do like to play King of the Mountain on the slide. Let's go back here. I think I've got everybody right now. Oh, there goes Frankie into the mix. She likes to play with him too, but she's getting to the point where they're a bit much, even for her, so she gets up on the couch. There goes little Quito over there on the left. That's Queso, thinking he should be able to nurse off of Frankie. Oh, Ozzy, get down. That's little Lexi down here who was trying to play with Ozzy. On the right is Kiki, now Tootie. Not everybody, a lot of them have their new names. If I can get these guys clear down here. I do have a zoom. Just looks like it's, yeah. A little too far even to zoom. I'll walk down that way in a little bit. Who's playing down there? Oh, that's Queso. And looks like Kiero, who is now Ronnie. And then Kito's going to go into the mix, and then there's Rudy. Whoops. Kind of lost track of everybody. Let's scooch over here. Up at the top, well, here she comes now. Lexi just came running down, but that's Riley up there. I tried to catch them playing, and I got a little bit of it, but they do love to play with each other. the two girls. And then down here we have, oh my gosh, we have 3 in a pile. Oh, then there. I can't even tell you who's who. You're just going to have to try to figure it out for yourself. There's too much movement that I can't even tell you who's where, because by the time I tell you, they're gone. Let's see if I can back up here. Get some more playing. And that's Reese right there walking away from me. He was just beating up on somebody. Oh, that was Riley. That's unusual. Usually Riley takes out everybody. Oh, somebody went to potty. I better try to clean that up. Or at least move the pad over there. That was Ryder and maybe Lexi playing. It's hard too to keep walking around and not step on an old puppy. I always do the puppy shuffle, making sure I'm not picking my feet up. I'm just moving them along the floor. Oh, Jojo, you've been there? You want to come see me? Well, I can't save you, girlfriend. Not right now. I've got my hands full. Jojo never gets in here with him. I'm not sure. I think she just thought she wanted to see me. All right, I'm going to turn this off and save Jojo. She got on the slide, but that's not going to save you, Jojo.